The series of policy briefings with the president and the government agencies came to an end today. The Welfare, Labor, and Gender Equality Ministries laid out their goals for the next few years. Park Ji-won shares with us what was discussed in that final session.
During Thursday's policy briefing session, President Moon emphasized that the three ministries of welfare, labor, and gender equality are key to realizing his administration's main goal of achieving economic growth that is inclusive and led by rising incomes.
저출산, 일자리, 격차 해소에 드는 예산은 복지 예산이면서 성장 예산입니다. 사회 안전망을 확충함과 동시에 가계의 가처분 소득을 늘려 소비와 경제를 살리는 포용적 성장과 소득주도 성장의 길이라는 사실을 각 부처가 국민들께 적극적으로 설명하고 또 성과로 보여주기 바랍니다.
The Welfare Ministry, to tackle the nation's low birth rate, plans to give families an allowance of about $90 a month for each child under the age of 5 and raise the rate at which families use public child care to 40%. The birth rate stood at 1.03 this year, the lowest level ever, which was a further drop from last year's 1.17. As for employment, the ministry will focus on creating quality jobs in the medical industry.
The ministry plans to create 100,000 new jobs in the healthcare industry, which will improve the nation's healthcare services. New jobs in the healthcare and medical industry are known to lead to more employment in other industries too.
The Labor Ministry's main goal is to reduce irregular or contract employment by encouraging employers to make them permanent and full-time. It also wants to reduce working hours.
The ministry acknowledges that the nation's high suicide rate and low happiness levels, as well as its low productivity, are all influenced by long working hours. Therefore, the ministry will push to revise the nation's Labor Standards Act to limit legal working hours to 52 hours per week.
The Gender Equality and Family Ministry plans to actively help women re-enter the job market after they start families and to achieve greater equality in pay and working conditions. The ministry also aims to push for new laws to prevent gender-based violence and to increase support for the victims of gender-related crimes. Park Ji-won, Arirang News.